Yo, what's up everybody? It's Gaza Man and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into the world of video editing to uncover the secrets behind captivating storytelling and visually stunning content. Whether you're just starting out or you've been editing for years, these 13 essential techniques are gonna up your editing game. We're talking transitions, cuts, and all the good stuff to make your videos pop. So grab your coffee, hit that subscribe button, and let's get started. Alright, let's kick things off with the most fundamental cut in the editing universe, the standard cut. Sometimes called a hard cut, this bad boy seamlessly connects the last frame of one clip with the first frame of the next. Think of it like the glue that holds your entire video together. It's clean, it's simple, and it doesn't mess around with fancy transitions. Don't underestimate the power of a well-placed standard cut. It's the backbone of any good edit. Now you might be thinking, Gazaman, this is too basic. But trust me, mastering the standard cut is crucial. It's all about timing, flow, and making sure your story unfolds naturally. A well-timed standard cut can keep your audience engaged without even realizing it. They'll be so caught up in the story that they won't even notice the cuts. So embrace the simplicity, master the timing, and watch your videos transform. Ready to bend time and space with your edits? Introducing the jump cut. This technique lets you fast forward through time within the same shot or composition, creating a sense of urgency, excitement, or even disorientation. Think of it like those cool time-lapse montages you see in movies. The key to using jump cuts effectively is to be deliberate. Too many jump cuts in a row can be jarring for the viewer, so use them sparingly and strategically. They work best when you want to emphasize the passage of time, compress a lengthy action, or add a touch of visual flair. Imagine you're editing a cooking video, and you want to show the entire process of making a delicious pizza, from prepping the dough to pulling it out of the oven. Instead of showing every single step in real time, you can use jump cuts to skip ahead to the most exciting parts, like tossing the dough in the air or adding the toppings. Get ready to channel your inner Scorsese because we're about to unlock the power of the montage. This classic editing technique is all about compressing time, conveying emotions, or telling a story through a series of quick cuts. Think of those iconic training montages in sports movies where the hero goes from zero to hero in a matter of seconds. Montages are incredibly versatile and can be used in countless creative ways. You can use them to show the passage of time, condense a long journey into a few short shots, or highlight the emotional arc of a character. The key is to choose your shots carefully and make sure they flow together seamlessly. One of the most important things to remember when creating a montage is to choose music that complements the mood and tone you're going for. The right music can elevate your montage from good to unforgettable. Remember, a well-crafted montage is like a mini-movie within your video. Let's talk about a transition that's smooth as butter. The cross dissolve. This technique gradually fades out one shot while simultaneously fading in another, creating a seamless blend between the two. It's like a gentle whisper compared to the hard cut's shout. Cross dissolves are incredibly versatile and can be used to convey a variety of emotions and ideas. They can indicate the passage of time, suggest a connection between two different scenes, or create a dreamlike or surreal atmosphere. Think about those classic movie moments where a character drifts off to sleep and the scene slowly dissolves into their dream. Or those epic transitions where the sun sets on one location and rises on another, all in the blink of an eye. Get ready to embrace your inner child because we're about to dive into the wonderful world of wipes. This fun and playful transition involves using an animation to wipe one scene away and reveal the next. Think of those classic Star Wars scene transitions, or those cheesy but oh so satisfying wipes used in old-school TV shows. Now I know what you're thinking, wipes can be a little, well, dated. And you're right, they can be. But that doesn't mean they don't have a place in the modern editor's toolkit. When used creatively and sparingly, wipes can add a touch of personality, humor, or retro charm to your videos. Imagine you're editing a travel vlog and you want to transition from a shot of you boarding a plane to a shot of you arriving at your destination. Let's talk about a transition that's all about subtlety and grace, the fade and out. This classic technique involves gradually bringing a shot in from black or white, or fading it out to black or white, creating a sense of beginning or ending. It's like gently easing your viewers into and out of different scenes. Fades are incredibly versatile and can be used in countless ways to enhance your storytelling. They're perfect for indicating the passage of time, transitioning between different locations or time periods, or adding a touch of drama or emotion to a scene. Imagine you're editing a dramatic short film and you want to end a scene on a cliffhanger. As the tension builds and the music swells, you can slowly fade the scene to black, leaving your viewers on the edge of their seats, wondering what will happen next. Get ready to unlock the secrets of audio editing with the J&L cuts. These techniques, named after their shapes in editing software, are all about creating smooth and natural-sounding transitions by overlapping your audio and video tracks. Let's start with the L cut. This bad boy involves extending the audio from the previous clip into the beginning of the next clip, creating a seamless audio bridge between the two. It's like letting the sound linger for a moment, even as the visuals change. This technique is often used in interviews or documentaries to maintain a natural flow of conversation. Now, for the J cut. It's the L cut's rebellious cousin. With a J cut, you introduce the audio from the next clip before the visuals of the previous clip have ended. It's like giving your viewers a sneak peek at what's coming next, even before they see it. Get ready to unleash your inner action hero because we're about to talk about cutting on action. This technique is all about creating seamless and visually dynamic edits by cutting at the moment of movement. It's like your edits are synchronized with the action on screen, creating a sense of energy and excitement. Think of those heart-pounding chase scenes in action movies, where the cuts are so perfectly timed that you feel like you're right there in the middle of the action. Or those intense fight sequences where every punch, kick, and block is accentuated by a well-placed cut. The key to cutting on action is to anticipate the movement and time your cuts accordingly. You want to cut at the moment of impact, the peak of the action, to create the most visually dynamic and engaging edit. This will make the action feel more powerful and impactful. Let's talk about a technique that's all about adding depth, context, and visual interest to your edits, the cutaway. This versatile technique involves cutting away from the main action to show something else that's happening simultaneously or to provide additional information. It's like giving your viewers a glimpse into another part of the story, even if it's just for a moment. Cutaways can be used in countless ways to enhance your storytelling. Get ready to weave together multiple storylines like a master storyteller. We're diving into cross-cutting, also known as parallel editing. Intercutting scenes happening simultaneously creates suspense and excitement. Think of heist movies where criminals prepare while police close in. Cross-cutting builds suspense and keeps viewers on the edge of their seats. Get ready to blow your viewers' minds with the power of the match cut. This technique connects two shots through visual similarity, creating continuity or symbolism. Think of the iconic scene in 2001, A Space Odyssey, where a bone transforms into a spaceship. Or the match cut in Lawrence of Arabia, where an extinguished match transitions to the desert sun. Be creative, think outside the box, and find those subtle visual echoes. Hold on to your hats because we're diving into the world of the smash cut. This jarring technique involves cutting abruptly from one scene to another, often with contrasting visuals or emotions. It's like slamming the brakes on your edit, jolting your viewers awake. Smash cuts break the rules, defy expectations, and create surprise or humor. Use them to transition between dreams and reality, or to inject energy into your edit. Enter the realm of editing magic, where cuts disappear before your very eyes. The invisible cut seamlessly blends two shots, creating the illusion of a single, continuous take. It's like visual sleight of hand, leaving viewers wondering, how did they do that? Invisible cuts are the secret weapon of filmmakers, creating immersive, captivating experiences. Often used in long takes, the camera glides effortlessly, creating realism and immediacy. Think of Gravity and Birdman, where the camera navigates seamlessly without a visible cut. These cuts create an unbroken flow, immersing viewers in the characters' experiences. And there you have it, folks. 13 essential video editing techniques to transform your videos from good to unforgettable. Remember, mastering these techniques takes time, practice, and a whole lot of experimentation. Don't be afraid to push boundaries, break the rules, and discover your own unique editing style. The most important thing is to have fun, to be creative, and to never stop learning. The world of video editing is constantly evolving, with new techniques and technologies emerging all the time. So, stay curious, explore new possibilities, and never be afraid to try something new. Now go out there, create something amazing, and don't forget to share your masterpieces with the world. And as always, keep those cameras rolling, those edits flowing, and those creative sparks flying. Peace out.